Hello, welcome to my channel, Kaylee Creations. I'm Kay, and I have this darling decor piece to share with you today. This is a companion piece to the baby girl album that I made recently. So I'm going to try and get that in the frame here without shaking too much. I'm just holding my phone camera because I could not get everything in frame with my little mount system that I have on my other camera. And so these are the character letters on the block spinner, and this is a shaker box on the album. And so for more information on the baby album and the products that I used there, go to my baby album video. I will put a link to that below. And I also made a baby boy album, so if you're interested in taking a closer look at that, I'll put the link below. And then this block spinner was made for me by my friend Terry Cook of Marketwood Designs. She makes wonderful decor pieces, and you can check her out on Instagram. So thank you so much, Terry, for gifting this to me. And it went together really quickly. I was able to decorate these cute little boxes, and I know that you can make this just a photo block and just put photos on there, which is fine, but I really wanted mine as more of a decor piece since I already had the album. And I just think this is darling. And I can put a couple pictures on here if I choose to. There's a couple little spots. So I'm gonna get a little closer up and try not to shake my camera. So I do apologize if you get seasick or something watching this. I know how that can be. So I've got these pink and white roses on the top here. These are from Reneabouquets, and they match what's on the baby album. And then we have these character blocks, which come in a package of 4, one of each of the characters. So you have the bunny, the puppy, the little kitty, and the teddy bear. And you can see there I have another little rose on there as well. Okay, so it's really, I'm trying, oops, sorry, I don't want to go too fast because we don't want to get, motion sick here watching this video. Okay, so I'm going to spin each individual block spins, but I'm going to spin the whole thing from the bottom here so we can get another closer look at the decoration on the blocks. And then you can see the pacifier here on this block. And this comes in a package with a baby bottle and diaper pins. So also from Reneabouquets. So I'll put a link to that below. Isn't that adorable? I technically could put a picture there if I want. And there you have the diaper pins right there from that package. You can also get the diaper pins in a jar of what's called Beautiful Bits. And there's 2 different styles of diaper pins in that. So I'll put a link to that below as well. Oops. And let's go ahead and turn one more time. So there is my baby decor piece. I think it's just gonna look so cute next to the baby album. And I think these little letters are just so adorable. So don't forget to check out the description box below, where I'll have a link for all the products I've used from Reneabouquets. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the little notification bell to be notified of my upcoming projects. Thanks so much. Bye.